once, like in the area, but I didn't like it really as much. Hello from LA. Oh my god, you're making me jealous. I'll be there soon. Very soon. Like, it's coming up so soon, like, I am gonna have a panic attack. I like your cross. Thank you. Like, hi from Greece. I want to go to Greece so bad. LA will ruin you. I mean, no, you just have to not let it get to you. Like, you have to stay humble. I feel like a lot of people that go to LA just, like, start getting a big ego and stuff. But I'm actually not living in LA. But what I'm going to do when I'm in California is do more social media stuff, obviously, more modeling and networking and stuff. So, yeah. I know everyone has their... I know there's, like, really bad parts. Don't get me... I know. But, there is some really nice parts, and there's some upsides to it, so... That's why I'm not, like, moving there. I'm just living there for a little. So, yeah. Favorite fruit? Bananas and blueberries, probably. Fruit's amazing in LA. Oh my god, it's so good. Like, yeah. It's really good. Absolutely not. I had to block some people. I need a moderator, like, so bad. People are weird. Oh, cool. Oh my god. I love your nails. Thank you. I need to get them done again, actually. They're kind of growing out. The beaches are very nice. Like, where I'm staying, we're, like, right across from the beach in Newport, and I'm very excited. It's very nice. I'm trying to get my music to work. Sorry. Attention check. I'm just chilling. Like, it's hard to justify that purchase for some reason. And I just bought a new curling iron that was kind of expensive, so it's like, these are my rings. I have my Cartier, my cowboy boot, and this one from Coco LA. I do some modeling, but I'm not signed with anyone for, like, an agency or anything. Really? Yeah, I feel like the dryer would dry, like, really quick, and that's what I need, because I have extensions, and this takes long to dry all this hair, so I need some help. So maybe I should just get it. What do you guys think? Tatum. Yeah, my momager. No. Get it? Okay. I need to. It's, like, sold out everywhere, so I don't know where to get it from. Does anyone know? Aw, thank you. Thank you guys for the gifts. I appreciate it. I've never signed an autograph. I'm not famous. What? Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. No, that's, like, the only song I listen to by them. I got my brows done, and they're so tiny. Wait, the serum. Oh, you mean the Ilia? The Ilia serum that I just did in my video? How do you like it? It's literally the best. Like, my skin's, like, it makes it look so, like, flawless. The Weeknd. There's just something about him that I love. Kill the lights, so baby, close your eyes. I don't know.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good, I'm on live. You ordered it? No way. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's actually amazing. Like, I would never put y'all on to something that's trash. It's actually really good. Everything I talked about in my recent video, guys, This is the look for it, and it's incredible, and I swear by it. Go check it out. Favorite wait, did you say cleanser? Yeah, I just use the CeraVe. I also love the Youth to the People superfood cleanser, but I only use it like once a week because it's pretty drying. And for moisturizer, I use Vanity Cream because it does not clog your pores. Are you worried about the color? Well, I got mine shade matched in Sephora, but I did go a shade up because I usually wear bronzer and for the summertime, so you should be fine if you do like a shade picker online or just guess. Like, it's so seamless, it doesn't really like cake up and like oxidize or anything, so you should be good. I'm 18. I can't take the place. Favorite salad. Caesar salad. It's good. Good. Oh my god. Best men's cologne. I don't know. I don't really know like different ones. Like every girl says it's that Dior Sauvage, but every guy wears that one, so I don't really know any other ones that are like big that people would know. Not Axe. No Axe body spray. I think Old Spice is fine, but like Axe, just it's like middle school flashbacks. Thank you. Yes, I'm 18. Yeah, I'm sure Tom Ford, yeah, that's good. Stop putting my else. It's like a habit. I can't. I'm so ready to graduate. Yes, I'm literally so excited to get out of there. I hate it so much. You're gonna send me money? Why? I am seeing it. Hi. Thank you. Thank you for the rose. Thank you so much. Chipotle order? Oh my god, I don't really go to Chipotle often. I'm trying to think of it. I honestly don't know. Like, I don't know. I barely get it. Well, I'm 18, so what I do right now is just social media stuff. No, I'm not going to college. I didn't decide on anything. I decided to not go. That's what I decided. I'm naturally like a dirty blonde. But it's really blonde right now. I got it dyed. I love 80s music. My Venmo is like Olivia Masucci, I think.